Guys, in the short and basic video, I will show you how to increase downloading speed in Chrome. So open the Chrome browser and search here CHROME, then colon, double slash and flags. So guys, you have to write this command Chrome colon double slash and flags, then press enter. Here guys, find out parallel spelling for PARALLEL. So you will get this setting. Just you have to enable here. In case it's a default or disabled, so make it enable, then relaunch. So this is the basic setting, and after applying this setting you can increase download speed. Thanks for watching and comment on this video. Work for you.